Dogs are wonderful animals that many people love. They are often called man's best friend because they are loyal and friendly companions. There are many different breeds of dogs, each with its own unique characteristics. Firstly, dogs are known for their loyalty. They form strong bonds with their owners and are always there to provide comfort and companionship. Dogs are also very protective and can be trained to guard homes or assist people with disabilities. Secondly, dogs are highly intelligent animals. They can learn commands and tricks, making them great pets for families. Some dogs are even trained to work as service animals, helping people with tasks like guiding the blind or detecting medical conditions. Thirdly, dogs are active and playful creatures. They enjoy running, playing fetch, and exploring the outdoors. Regular exercise is important for dogs to stay healthy and happy. Lastly, dogs have a special ability to understand human emotions. They can sense when their owners are sad or stressed and will often try to comfort them. This emotional connection makes dogs cherished members of many households. In conclusion, dogs are loyal, intelligent, playful, and empathetic animals that bring joy and companionship to people's lives.